Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch. The title of the video is Police Arrest Drunk Ex-Wife After SUV Attack on Husband. Yeah, you know what I mean? Sometimes these women, they can't control their emotions, you know what I'm saying? Love will make you do some crazy things. Let's get into it.
I was in here like working. And I heard this bang, boom, boom. What the hell was that? So I come out the door, and that truck is on top of that tree.
On July 8, 2022, officers responded to a call about an accident involving a single vehicle. Witnesses said the driver had fled on foot.
Come here. Right in front. Front of the vehicle. You driving?
Yes.
All right, give me your keys. Come in front of the vehicle. Tell me what's going on.
Husband is my husband's car.
Okay, how is it your husband's fault?
Yeah. He works right here. Ask him.
Okay, where's your car at?
Right there. Side over there. It's stuck underneath the tree.
You stay with her.
You heard? You wearing the seatbelt?
Car on.
What happened?
My husband.
Your husband?
My husband works right there.
How did that happen? Can you talk to
I
us?
guess they brought the car.
Did you try to hurt yourself and drive into the tree on purpose?
No.
Transmission, you were available.
She's over there if you want to go over there.
Ah, so y'all did get? Okay.
Yeah.
I just took a quick picture of her.
Did you see her behind the wheel?
She got in the car and tried to back up multiple times and then was asking me, this gentleman, to help push her car, and we're like, man, you're stuck. You gotta get a tow truck.
Okay.
So we didn't help her, but we made sure that she was okay. She seemed a little impaired, but...
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just hang out for me real quick? Did you see her get out of the car?
Yes, she put it that way.
Okay, can you hang out for me real quick? Did you see her get out of the car? Okay. All right, so I think she's intoxicated.
Yeah, hang out, man. We gonna need them statements, man. We gonna collect them statements, man. Y'all boys hang out. Y'all seen her get out that car? Y'all boys hang out, man. We gonna get that paperwork filed for y'all boys. You know, we gonna need a couple statements out of y'all, you know? So stay put.
You have a driver's license on you?
Yes, ma'am.
I got everything temple.
I guess you were trying to run over her boyfriend or something like that.
She said it was her boyfriend's fault. That might be, I don't know if that's him over there or
How
not.
are you intoxicated?
I have no idea, to tell you the truth.
God damn it.
She's got the keys on.
You don't have a license plate on your car?
Yes, of course I do.
They said there wasn't one on there. You have it in your purse. Why do you have it? Alright.
You hear that? She has her license plate in her purse.
Does this make sense to you? So you weren't trying to hurt yourself, nothing like that?
No, not at all. He did this to me. He did this to me.
How did he do that though? He wasn't in the car with you.
He was not in the car with me. He was right in front of me.
Did you try to like aim at him or something and hit the tree? Or I'm just trying to figure out how in a desolate parking lot you hit a palm tree. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Can you answer that?
No, right here.
Are you hurt anywhere?
We're married, but getting
Okay, so
divorced.
where were you at?
We were right here. So first I'm coming in this way and I see her and she like turns to me and like, you know, dead stops me, and then I gotta go around her. And then she followed me back right here, and we're sitting right here arguing, and she's like telling me, I don't know, I need to get the lawyer, this and that, some stupid shit. And I'm like, just get your lawyer, that's it. We don't need to talk, you don't need to see me, blah, blah, blah. And I try to take off, and she fucking floors it at me, and I get right here, and I just kind of act like I was gonna turn this way, and then I turned hard this way, and she was going way too fast, and just, bam! I can't do this anymore. It's been months of me like hiding my car inside the shop.
They said the witness came up to the rescue and told him that she aimed to try to hit her boyfriend, and he moved, and that's how she hit the tree.
Okay.
Okay.
She signed everything. She was ready. All right, ma'am. And your back to me. Interlock your fingers just like you're praying.
You're going to jail, baby.
That's what it is.
Alright.
We're gonna go back over there.
We don't want you no more,
Something
sweetheart.
else where they, the Marksman Act. Yeah, her sister signed that, and I should have signed it too. But
For a substance, what kind of substance is she using?
fentanyl, I think, mixed with coke and whatever else. It's been a big problem for a long time.
Can you do me a solid later? Those 3 people are real witnesses.
Her car?
Can you get all their information? One of them
I
has
think
a
it's in her
picture.
dad's name, maybe, but it's
Can you get them to email that to you?
She on that Fetty Wap. Woo! She on that Fetty Wap, boy. Oh no.
her and her dad's name, I believe.
You guys saw what happened?
We saw the happen. I got a video of her running away from the car.
Take email 462 83.
I mean,
She's in the car.
yes.
Yeah.
He's got drugs on him.
I'm sorry.
He's got drugs on him.
Okay. All right.
It's domestic violence, so she'll be held on no bond. Probably aggravated assault too. So she'll be held on no bond until first appearance in the morning. And when she gets bonded out or gets set a bond, the judge's part of her bond is no contact with you in any form. The same as her training order.
I was in here working,
Mhm.
and I heard this bang, boom, boom. What the hell was that?
Mhm.
So I come out the door, and that truck is on top of that tree. And the lady was in the truck. She was telling me to help her get her car off the tree. And man, the truck is not going to move. You stuck.
Skid marks.
The ball front tire is right up there.
She was acting weird.
Okay.
So me and him, we backed off. Hey man, I gotta get going back and wait.
You saw her get out of the car, right?
Yeah.
So do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't have a driver's license, but I drive pretty
Any
well.
foreign ID? Can you just stand by while I do a search for her? Alright, pop on out for me. Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me, poke me, or cut me?
No, of course not. You know what you got on you. You know what you got on you too. I'm gonna fucking rat. I'm gonna be a fucking rat. You guys are fucked.
You look at her purse.
How do you want to go, huh?
You want a fucking divorce. Sign the goddamn paperwork. I didn't do anything fucking wrong.
Alright, listen to me, okay?
I just want a divorce.
Okay. I got some questions for you, okay? We'll get to the issue with your husband, okay? Alright, but I gotta read you this first. You ever been read your Miranda rights?
For what?
Okay, I'll explain it to you, but I'm just gonna read it to you, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have a lawyer present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you decide to answer any questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering it anytime you speak with a lawyer, okay? Is that your car? It's registered to you.
I just sent it to you.
Okay.
Alright. And that motherfucker right there is fucking high as fuck. So is the boss.
Okay. Can you walk me through how that vehicle ended up on top of the tree?
Yeah, I'll walk you through it. Okay, so I was following him because he fucking sped like a motherfucking maniac, and all I wanted to do is sign fucking divorce papers, and I don't know how I ended up like that.
You had the divorce papers with you?
No, I just wanted to fucking get with my divorce attorney.
But you don't know how you wound up in that position?
No, I do know how I wound up in that position. I was following him.
You were following him and he was going too fast?
Yes.
Okay.
And I didn't know how to drive, obviously.
So were you behind him or were you in front of him?
I was fucking behind him.
So at any point in time, did you try to hit his vehicle with your vehicle?
Oh, no, I would never do that.
Okay.
I just wanted him to fucking, wanted him to hear me. He's fucking terrified right now. He's got weed in his fucking pocket or in his car. Garen motherfucking did.
Okay.
So does the boss.
Do you have any medication that says that you're not supposed to operate a motor vehicle?
Nope.
Are you taking it?
Nope.
So all the medication, you're good to drive at that point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here's the next question.
I don't understand why you're not fucking checking him.
Okay, well I gotta do it one person at a time, okay? I can't talk to two people at the same time. And I'm not gonna bring them over here because you guys are just gonna argue. Okay. So here's the other question I got for you is, why'd you leave your car there and not...
I couldn't get it out.
Why'd you take the tag off?
Because I was what?
I'm just trying to figure out, like, I mean, you locked the car, you took the tag off, and you walked away.
I get it. It's not like I couldn't go far.
Well, I'm just trying to figure out why you did that instead of calling somebody. Is there a reason? What's the reason?
It's not me fucking marchman acted 3 times.
What were you marksman acted for?
That and my sister.
Okay. Did you used to use any substances, illegal substances?
Used to, yes.
What you used to use?
I used to use a lot of alcohol and cocaine.
Okay. When was the last time you used that?
It's been a long time.
Long time? Okay. So that's the reason why you took the tag off and you left the vehicles because you were afraid you were going to get marksman acted?
No. I took the tag off because I didn't know what else to do. I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
I don't want to fucking go back there.
All right. Did you understand that when you crash into something and you get in an accident, you're supposed to report that? Okay. Do you understand that leaving the scene is a no-no?
I wasn't leaving the scene. I own a business here.
Okay. All right. Well, just sit tight. All right.
This is the most boring body cam footage I've ever watched, bro. This is boring as hell, bro. He's questioning her around and around, bro. We know what happened, bro. She lying and shit, man. Come on, man. God damn.
All right, Sandra, go ahead and step out for me. You're going to come over in my vehicle, okay?
My shoes, I don't know.
Go get your shoes. Over here. Pull away from me, okay? Just get the car.
Fucking God. Stop here. Fuck.
You know what she's probably thinking right now is like, how did my life just spiral out of control like this? How do you let, your emotions or your personal life, right, get you this far to where now you crashing out? She crashed out, like literally crashing out, bro. Like it don't make no sense. Yep. Reality setting in now, boy.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
I'll be at my tomorrow, motherfucker.
Fuck you! Stop yelling.
How can you just let him go? He's got drugs on him. Illegal drugs. Mine are fucking legal. Why would you do that? Why? Because he didn't do anything wrong?
He didn't do anything.
He didn't do anything wrong.
Hold on. She would later submit to a breathalyzer and blew 2 samples of .239 in 0.230. Holy intoxicated. Holy crap.
Wow. Yeah, you just made me run into a tree. Okay.
She was charged with aggravated assault and DUI with damage to property or person. Wow.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.